Hello everyone. So I hope that you all are doing good. I'm Ananya Bharadwaj, a student of MSc Food Technology, Department of Dairy Sciences and Food Technology, Institute of Agricultural Sciences, Banaras Hindu University. So today we will be discussing about concepts of quality management. So let's get started. So before we start, let us have a brief introduction about what is quality. So according to ISO, quality is defined as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy the stated or implied needs. So quality is basically a degree of question. The quality of something can be determined by comparing a set of inherent characteristics with a set of requirements. If those inherent characteristics met all the requirements, high or excellent quality is achieved. If those characteristics do not meet all the requirements, a low or poor quality is achieved. So quality is always relative to a set of characteristics. Now, what is quality management? So quality management includes all the activities that organization use to direct, control, and coordinate quality. Quality management includes the determination of a quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, quality control, and quality improvement. Quality management is focused not only on the product and service quality, but also on the ways to achieve it. So let us discuss about the history of quality management. The concept of quality has existed for many years, though the meaning has changed and evolved over time. In the early 20th century, quality management means inspecting the products to ensure that they met the specifications. In 1940, during the time of World War, quality became more statistical in nature. In 1960, with the help of so-called quality gurus, the concept took on a broader meaning. Quality began to be viewed as something that encompassed the entire organization, not only the production process. Since all the questions and functions were responsible for the product quality and all shared the cost of poor quality, and finally, quality was considered as a concept that affected the entire organization. But nowadays, successful companies understand that quality provides a competitive advantage. They put the customer first and define quality as meeting or exceeding the consumer expectations. So nowadays, the term used for today's new concept of quality is basically TQM, that is Total Quality Management. This new concept of TQM is proactive, that is designed to build the quality into the products and the processes. So what is quality management system? So quality management system, that is QMS, is a formalized system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. This refers to the organization structure, responsibility, procedures, processes, and resources that are needed to implement a comprehensive quality management program. It comprises of all the collective policies, plans, practices, and the supporting infrastructure by which an organization aims to reduce and eventually eliminate the non-conformance to specifications, standards, consumer expectations in the most cost-effective and efficient manner. So, the QMS enables an organization to achieve the goals and objectives set out in its quality policy and strategy. So, there are some advantages of QMS. So, those are it sets direction and meet consumer expectations. It improves the process control. It reduces the wastage, lowers cost, increases market share, facilitate training, and involves tasks and raises morale. So these are the benefits of QMS. The QMS is beneficial for customer as well as for organization. For customer, it helps to instill the confidence in the organization that leads to more customers, more sales, and repeated business. And for organization, it ensures the compliance with the regulations and provisions of product and services in the most cost-effective and resource-efficient manner. It helps in creating room for expansion, growth, and profit. So these are some other benefits of QMS. Those are it reduces wastage, prevents mistakes, lowers the cost, engages the staff, helps in communicating a readiness to provide consistent results. Now, these are some benefits of this quality management system. It helps in controlling the process and production. It helps in changing the management. It helps in taking the corrective and preventive actions. It helps in managing the responsibility. It helps in developing the resources. It helps in the product surveillance. It helps to design the control. over the particular process. Now, QMS in food industries. So in food, different quality management systems are available. So those are, first is HACCP, that is Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. ISO 9000, that is International Organization for Standardization. BRC, that is British Retail Consortium Global Standards. And Food Safety Certification System at FSSC 2000. So these are different components of quality management systems, and these are quality planning, quality assurance, quality improvement, and quality control. So let us discuss in the subsequent slides about them in detail. So first is quality planning. So quality planning involves the set of quality objectives and then specifying the operational processes and resources that will be needed to achieve those objectives. Quality planning is one part of quality management. Now, quality assurance. So according to ISO, quality assurance can be defined as the assembly of all the planned and systematic actions that are necessary to provide adequate confidence that the product, processes, or service will satisfy the given quality requirement. So quality assurance is a set of activities that are intended to establish confidence that quality requirements will be met. So quality assurance is one of the part of the quality management. So quality assurance has become a necessary component of the food business with the adoption of analysis and control systems for food quality. Now, let us discuss about some objectives and functions of quality assurance. So, meeting agreed consumer requirements to enable the internal and external parties, including accreditation bodies, to assess the organization's ability to meet requirements. It helps in identifying the opportunities for improvement through quality control and evaluation. It helps in minimizing the impact and consequence of poor quality. It helps in minimizing the impact and consequence of risk. It helps in identifying new opportunities for development to ensure the continuous growth. Now, quality control. So according to ISO, quality control is defined as the set of activities that are intended to ensure that the quality requirements are actually being met. So QC is one of the part of quality management. So quality control relies on product testing as a product inspection. It gives a clearer picture of the quality of the end product. So there are different standards available for quality control. So good quality control helps companies to meet the consumer demands for better quality products. Now, let us discuss about the objectives and functions of quality control. So, this quality control helps to establish the desired quality standards which are acceptable to the consumers. It helps to discover flaws or variation in the raw materials and the manufacturing processes in order to ensure the smooth and uninterrupted processing and production. It helps to evaluate the methods in processing for production and suggest further improvement in their functioning. So, the next is, let us discuss about the differences between quality control and quality assurance. So quality assurance is basically the part of quality management that is focused on providing confidence that the quality requirements are fulfilled, whereas the quality control is a part of quality management that focused on fulfilling quality requirements. The objectives of quality assurance is to prevent defects in the process. So the objective of quality control is to fix the defect after they're identified. So this is process oriented and the quality control is product oriented. So quality assurance involves managing the quality by defining the processes, strategies, and policies. It helps in developing checklists. It helps in establishing standards that need to be followed throughout the complete course of project. Whereas quality control involves setting up of guidelines of the projects, processes, and products that are being made to verify the quality, discover defects, and correct them. So quality assurance is the preventive technique, whereas quality control is the corrective technique. Quality assurance is a managerial tool and a long-term process, whereas quality control is the operational tool and the short-term process. Now, this is the flow chart or a pictorial representation of complete quality management system, which includes product testing, quality control, quality assurance, and quality management. Now let us discuss about quality improvement, which is the last component of quality management system. So quality improvement refers to anything that enhances an organization's ability to meet the quality requirements. So quality improvement is one of the part of the quality management. So quality improvements includes a systematic approach to improving a system by paying attention to structural causes and solutions. It is aimed at changing people, processes, and resources in order to bring them a new higher level of quality performance and into new zones of control. So quality control management is a fruitless if one is not willing to make any changes wherever they're necessary. The desire for continual improvement is the goal for every successful company. So, for management of quality, for the management of quality, basically, we require PDCA cycle, that is plan, do, check, and act. So, PDCA cycle is important for quality management as it enables the organization to ensure that its processes and resources adequately, they are managed in practice and analyzed for continual opportunities and may be acted upon them. So, planning, that is plan. It helps in identifying goals and baseline. It helps in assembling the resources. It determines like what procedures will be required to ensure that the product quality is being met. Next is do. In this, organization support documentation, policies, procedures, training materials are just planned and performed in an effective manner. It helps in training of employees. It helps in deploying the quality management system. Next is check. Check helps to measure, control, and monitor the outputs and ensure that they are met. Whereas it also helps in identifying the opportunity for improvement. And in act, the review of the findings of the quality management system are done. The evaluation of the product and processes is done, and the quality management processes is basically verified. Next is TQM, that's Total Quality Management. So TQM is the continual process for detecting and reducing and eliminating errors in the manufacturing, streamlining the supply chain management, improving the customer experience, and ensuring that the employees are up to speed with training. TQM aims to hold all the parties involved in the production process accountable for the overall quality for the final product or service. It helps to focus on improving the quality of organization. It helps in improving goods, services, and helps in continual improvement. So in this presentation, we have discussed about what is quality. We have discussed about quality management system, different components of quality management system, that are quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and quality improvement. So after that, we have discussed about total quality management. We have discussed about PDCA cycle, and so with this, we have studied the concepts of quality management in a very efficient manner. Now, these are some references from where I have made this presentation to help you all understand this. So, thank you. That's it.